How to drop rows from Pandas data frame that contains a particular string in a particular column. I have a very large data frame in Python and I want to drop all rows that have a particular string inside a particular column. For example, I want to drop all rows which have the string XYZ as a substring in the column C of the data frame. Can this be implemented in an efficient way using drop method?
Pandas has vectorized string operations, so you can just filter out the rows that contain the string you don't want.
If your string constraint is not just one string, you can drop those corresponding rows with. The above will drop all rows containing elements of your list.
This will only work if you want to compare exact strings. It will not work in case you want to check if the column string contains any of the strings in the list. The right way to compare with a list would be
slight modification to the code. Having not equals false will skip empty values. Otherwise you can get an error type error, bad operand type for unary tilde, float. Source, type error, bad operand type for unary tilde, float.
Reference, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.